have an idea. How about we use social media as our platform to promote our brand so that people will know and come to our shop?
Yes, Lina, I agree with your idea. Let's go proceed with the idea.
So, Miss, this is the idea that I talk about. The platform name is TikTok. So nowadays, people really like to shop at TikTok because it is more easier, it saves time and more cheaper. So that a lot of people can afford it.
Yeah, I like the idea. Where is it?
This is the app that I talk about.
Mesti beli. Add to cart. Pilih add to cart. Balik ke sini. Add to cart. Pilih yang mana boleh ya. Okay. Okay.
Hi boss, I have one idea. I think we should promote our product to social media.
Why you say like that?
I think because customer nowadays always buying item from social media like Shopee and TikTok platform. So we can attract stranger to buy our product.
I think no need because it's very complicated. So I think better we just do face to face and stay with right now. That traditional method.
Okay boss, I understand about that. Boss,
Yeah.
as you can see, this is Shopee.
Okay.
So by here we can promote our product. Like you can see, Skin TV also promote their product at here. How to use this app? You just post a video and boost up your page. Then many people will follow you.
Okay, I understand. I very appreciate your point, but I still better we just stay with traditional method because I think this is not easy for we manage time in physical shop and online shop. So I think like that lah.
Okay boss, I respect your decision.
Okay.
Hi guys, so today we are selling our brand new clothes. So this is an example from our new brand that is woman blouse. If you can see, they have beautiful stripes and flowers. The color is so beautiful. And this is color blouse, color blue, in size medium.
Hey guys, if you want to buy our clothes, you can walk in to our shop or you can go to our website or our TikTok.
Hi guys, today we plan to window shopping at this shop.
Okay, so we know this shop at TikTok.
Okay. Hello miss, can you suggest a blouse for me? I think I will recommend you this shade. The shade is light blue color. It make you more aesthetic and I think it suits your size. Oh, nice. Thank you. I want to buy this.
Hi, can I take you guys time for a while? Yeah. Where you guys want to go? Actually, we wanted to go. Wait. What item? How you guys can buy this item at that shop? Even though we sell the same item.
We buy it.
Okay. Sorry for disturbing this.
Charles,
Yes.
I'm very sorry because what I said the last time. After I see that shop, I think I need thinking about your opinion back.
I already told you about this, boss. So after this, you want to do like that?
I think can, but you need learn to.
Okay, sure, no problem, boss.